I tell you guys, every time, never fails. He always gets interviewed. And look how nervous he is. I'm gonna zoom into his face. So nervous.
What are you doing?
I don't know. How do you spell arsenic?
See, the thing I like about Andy is that he comes prepared. But he doesn't come prepared to race, he comes prepared to fix. You know what? Alright, we're ready. Well, just about ready. Got fuel. Gonna put some ice here pretty soon. Andy's just about wrapped up. And we're gonna call him out. What do you think? Calling Andy out.
Huh?
Calling Andy out.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Off the trailer?
Yeah, off the trailer. Andy! Me and you off the trailer right now, baby boy. Right now, because we are going out. This is your shot. This is your chance to beat the bullet. Can you handle it? Can you handle the pressure?
I need to live here no more.
Huh? You ready or what?
You want to do it, bro?
Yeah, fuck yeah. Okay, I'm down. You down? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna give Andy his chance. This is it. We're gonna try to go at it. I don't know what the car's gonna do, so we'll see. This is his chance to beat me now that I don't know anything about the car. You know why I gave you this chance, right?
Why?
Because I want to be on 1320.
Do they even know?
We ain't gonna get on it anyway.
Can you tell them the grudge race that's been developing for like 2 years?
They don't care. It didn't feel like a lot of power to me. It wasn't a lot of power, but we did hit some boost, so I'm trying to turn it up a little more to see if it still continued making boost. One problem towards the end on the big end, and remember this is only an 8th mile track, I actually hit 3rd gear and it hit the rev limiter 3rd, so I'm not sure if we're slipping through the trans or the converter. Or what's going on there. So we're gonna try to put a little more trans fluid in it. Maybe it's low, not exactly sure. But we're gonna do that and try to hit it one more time before eliminations. We're still not sure if I'm gonna be in the eliminations. I may just leave test and tune and just test and tune all night, but we don't know. But I did beat Andy. How you feeling so far?
Pretty good.
Yeah? How did that ass whooping feel?
You riddled it, first of all. Let's start with that.
Oh, I did it.
Cheater.
Where's the slip? Alright, we're gonna try to give it a go, number 2, and see what happens.
You got the gap. Yes.
because I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
I know that you were ahead.
I know you.
I got him a car.
You got by a car?
Yeah, and then he came around me.
I saw you right there. I saw him like that.
I know because you were in front of me.
A car?
You crossed the track first.
At the time, I think.
I was out. I did everything I could.
This came in just really fucking fast.
Tell you who won?
No, he won.
Looked like you.
By how much?
I don't know. You were ahead of me. Enough for me to tell. No gap, if that's what you're asking.
No.
I honestly didn't know.
There definitely wasn't a gap, but you were
When
ahead.
you took off, I was like, fuck. And then it just...
It took every inch of my body not to press the scramble.
Why did you not?
It's not ready. It's not ready. It should have made 28.
I thought you had broke.
No.
When you, from a distance, it looked something was dragging on the bottom, but it's
Oh, the parachute's a little low. Yeah, I gotta pick that up. Good job.
How many years of shit?
This video will never make it to YouTube. I'm racing that blue man front. Kind of looks like a race car.
Kinda. Just like yours is a street car. Left.
You know, the car's got a couple issues, bugs. It's not running tip top. If I was running tip top, then I'd do more. Drive it. I'm gonna do everything I do normally. And we'll see if we can out edge them.
Both of these boxes, the Fairmont came first.
It happens. That guy was a lot faster.
Which one is
We weren't in our A game.
the one in the
I
right
lost
lane
first
has
round.
all the
It's been a while since I lost first round.
Run out of big hat mafia stickers.
It happens.
Just saying.
I got the data that I wanted.
Apparently, your big hat mafia sticker made that guy wait long enough for the light to come on.
That's basically it. I tried to make one last test pass. It was going to be a grudge race with Andy. Something happened with this car. He couldn't continue because he because he couldn't continue. He contested the race, and I won. So sorry, you lose by default. That's not true. You didn't make it to the final.
The agreement was we're gonna race right off the trailer.
Yeah, one.
You ran lit like a little girl.
I won
and then
one
I beat
race. You won one race. We were gonna race the final.
That was never in
and
the
you
first
didn't
final.
show up.
That
So
was never in the agreement.
I broke the beam, so you lost. Sorry, you contested. Make sure you give him a hard time in the comments down below, guys. But that's it. We're gonna wrap it up here. I've got some work to do on the car. It's not acting right in the transmission. I gotta figure out if it's shifter, transmission, or what. Put it back in, do some testing, and get ready for Texas 2K coming up March 14th here at Houston, our home raceway track. That's it for now. We're gonna wrap it up here, and we're gonna go home. We're gonna go home. That's what I said for the end.
Yeah, we got 3 hours. That's gonna suck. Let's get back to work.